Students, you know a mother arms is more comforting than anyone else. The purest love in the art you will find in a mother's eyes. Love, affection, care, sacrifice is the definition of a mother. She loves you, fights for you, cares for you, and sacrifices everything for you. When you are with her, the whole world is with her. Is not it? Today we will read My Mother by Charlie Chaplin. This chapter is a part from his own My Autobiography, his own book published in 1964. Now tell me, what is an autobiography? An autobiography is an account of a person's own life written by himself. So, this is an autobiography of Charlie Chaplin. You know who was Charlie Chaplin? He was a famous comedian, actor, film director, and composer who got fame in the silent film era. Now, silent film era is where silent film was popular. There was no dialogues. The action or the actors act with gestures, and the audience understood it. He was born in 16th of April 1889 in London and died in 25th December 1977. My autobiography provides the source material for the 1992 feature film Chaplin. It provides a revealing look into the life of a 20th century filmmaker and celebrity. Chaplin was the king of comedy, but this man has gone through many difficulties. He has so much grief filled in his heart, yet he was able to make everyone laugh. In this chapter, Chaplin has described about his mother's sacrifices and struggle in her life. How his mother, in spite of all difficulties, worked hard and took care of her children. In the first unit, you will know about Chaplin's parents. His parents got divorced when he was only 1 year old. His father was a vaudevillian and died at the age of 37 due to excessive drinking. He was a drunkard. Now, who is a vaudevillian? Vaudevillian is an entertainer who performs a dramatic or musical work for audience. His mother was a singer. She was a star. She was singing very well. She performed in theaters and clubs and was earning a considerable source of income. But ill luck befell on her and she had a trouble in her voice. She developed a disease called laryngitis, that is swelling in the larynx, and she could not sing. She was earning money by singing and it was her source of income, but she could not sing because of this disease. As in the middle of her singing, her voice turned to whisper. It was very painful and she could not sing. As a result, her theatrical engagements fell off and she had to face a lot of difficulties. Now come to the text. My Mother, Charlie Chaplin. Sir Charles Spencer Chaplin, an English comic actor, film director and composer. He was a comedian, English comic actor. He was a film director. He made films and composer. He also composed songs, etc. He is usually known by his stage name Charlie Chaplin. He was one of the most creative and influential personalities in the silent film era. I have already told you this about silent film era, where there was no dialogues, only the actors performed with their gestures and the audience understood it very nicely. He used mime. Look at this word, mime, M-I-M-E, mime. Mime means to act with mimic action and words. Only words. Look, used mime. Slapstick. What is a slapstick? Slapstick is a comedy in which the actors behave in a silly, foolish way. And other visual comedy routines, and continued well into the era of talkies. Means he was a star of his generation. He was an actor in the silent movie era and was a comedian. He was a king of comedy. He made us laugh. You must have seen you must have seen his films. It is very comic. He make us laugh, is not it? Now come to the unit 1. Have you seen movie of Charlie Chaplin? Chaplin is one of the greatest comedian of the silent movies. This text is an excerpt. What is an excerpt? Excerpt means it is a part, a short extract from a piece of writing. Excerpt from his book My Autobiography. He has written a book called My Autobiography, and this chapter is a part of it. Read the following unit of the text and note how he remembers his parents. In the whole unit you will find about his parents. He has described about his father and his mother. Look at the text. I was hardly aware of a father. Look, hardly means difficulty or minimum amount. I was hardly aware of a father means he did not know or he had not seen his father. Do you know why? Because his father and mother got separated when he was only 1 year old, and do not remember him having lived with us, and he did not remember him having lived with us because his parents were divorced. He too was a vaudevillian. Vaudevillian, I had told you, he is an entertainer. He was an entertainer. A quiet, silent, brooding. What is a brooding? Brooding means thoughtful and serious. He was a very serious and thoughtful man with dark eyes. His eyes were very dark. Mother said he looked like Napoleon. Do you know who was Napoleon? Napoleon was a warrior. He was a very cruel man. So his mother told Charlie Chaplin that his father looked like Napoleon. He had a light baritone voice. What is baritone? Baritone means grave and deep. It is a male voice. His voice was very deep. He had a light baritone voice and was considered a very fine artist. Means his father was a very good artist. He performed very well. Even in those days, he earned a considerable sum of 40 pounds a week. Means in those days, he earned sufficient money. The trouble was that he drank too much, and the trouble was that he was a drunkard. He drank too much, which mothers said was the cause of their separation, and it was the cause of their divorce. They separated because of his excessive drinking. His father was a vaudevillian, and you know it was very difficult for vaudevillians not to drink in those days because drinking was a part of their duty. For alcohol was sold in all theatres, and and after a performer's act, means after an act, the vaudevillian was expected to go to the theatre bar and drink with the customers, because some theatres made more profit from the bar than from the box office. A number of stars were paid large salaries not alone for their talent, but because they spent most of their money at the theatre bar. So vaudevillian used to drink with the customers so that the theatres will get profit because of that because of selling of large amount of alcohol. And the stars were paid large salaries, not alone for their talent, not alone for their act, but because they spent most of their money at the theatre bar. Thus, many, many an artist was ruined by drinking. Many artists were ruined by excessive drinking. And you all know that his father was a vaudevillian, and his father was one of them. He was a drunkard. He died of alcoholic excess. He died because of alcoholic excess, because he drank too much at the age of 37. At the age of 37. Mother would tell stories about him with humor and sadness. And you all know that Charlie Chaplin knew about his father from his mother only. His mother would tell variety of stories about his father with humor and sadness.